Hey everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we have an amazing DIY face mask recipe that will leave your skin glowing, and the secret ingredient, castor oil. Before we dive into the recipe, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our natural skincare tips. Let's get started. DIY. Glowing skin face mask with castor oil. For this glow-inducing face mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of organic honey, 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Now let me tell you why each ingredient is fantastic for your skin. Honey is a natural humectant, keeping your skin hydrated. Bentonite clay helps to detoxify and cleanse your pores. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, giving your skin a radiant boost. Aloe vera soothes and moisturizes. And of course, castor oil is excellent for promoting healthy skin and reducing inflammation. Let's start by mixing all these amazing ingredients. In a clean bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and finally, 1 teaspoon of our star ingredient, castor oil. Application: stir the mixture until it forms a smooth paste. Now apply an even layer of this face mask to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. You can use a brush or your fingertips for application. Once applied, let the mask sit on your face for about 15-20 minutes. Take this time to relax, maybe catch up on your favorite show or listen to some calming music. Rinse off. After the mask has worked its magic, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. And there you have it, a DIY face mask with castor oil that will leave your skin feeling refreshed, hydrated, and with a natural glow. Incorporate this into your skincare routine once a week for best results.